I be smoking Vaughn.
Bitch, I smoke Satoshi. Yeah, it's crypto my retirement, but you really don't know me. I've been mining BTC since 2014, yeah. I'm a real OG, yeah. I'm a real OG, yeah.
I be smoking Vaughn.
Bitch, I smoke Satoshi.
Welcome to CMAR, everybody. Crypto is my retirement. This is your host, King Harry III. This is you watching me on my journey to $10 million. If you're watching this today, this is not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. I'm just on my way to $10 million. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. So today, I have a very interesting observation today, right? Because a lot of people are suggesting, is the Bitcoin top end? Is it going to be a fourth quarter push? Are we going to have alt seasons? You know, I'm not here to tell you what's going to really happen. I'm just piecing up together and tell you my perspective, right? So make sure you guys like the video. Right here, Bitcoin is clearly, in my opinion, showing a head and shoulders pattern, right? Now, I want to show you some things that caught my eye. Now, if you don't know about the moon phases, we have full moon goes up, new moon goes down, full moon goes up, new moon goes down. This has been a very consistent pattern, to be honest with you, for a nice little minute now, to be honest with you. Like, nice little minute. This is my trading view situation. So, as we entered the first day, which is on the 15th of the new moon, the last previous two moons, we did go down, but it did briefly go back up, but it went down again. I mean, it went down in the full moon. It went down in the new moon, popped back up for the full moon, went down. And this is on the weekly. So right now, the weekly is looking bearish. If we decide to close below last weekly opener, which is 115,000. So we both have a lot of support on this price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candles. This is a lot of support right here. This is a weekly candles. So if we break support, I guarantee you we're going down. And we have 6 days and 8 hours to see if we're going to close under this support. To be honest with you, the next level of support is 113, but it's not as strong as this one. So possibly down here, or possibly down here, 109K. We're going to see. I don't know, but it looks like a head and shoulders pattern. Here's the shoulder, here's the head, and it might produce another shoulder. So, this channel is huge on BSV. This red line right here represents an important day, right? It actually should be a little bit over. I believe it should be on the 5th. And that's when pretty much the whole world, okay, this is the beginning of the week, so we put a 6. So this is the next candle, that October 6th candle for the weekly. So a lot of people know what I'm talking about. This is this notice that happened with the Bitcoin exploit. And this person is going to have ownership of one of the Satoshi wallets that's worth $9 billion. And he says the deadline is October 5th, 2025. So as I see the market looking a little bearish, it's still bullish, but to me, this looks like a head and shoulders pattern. You actually can just look at it right here. A Bitcoin head and shoulders pattern is forming. See, look at that left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This is the daily pretty much, but the weekly, it's less candles, but that's what it's showing me. When I look at this chart, another thing as well, keep in mind these key events in October. We have October 9th and October 10th. That's the North American Blockchain Summits, NABS. It's going to be in Dallas, Texas. I'm pretty sure Elon Musk might show up. Trump might show up. The Bitcoin guys might show up. But it's very interesting. It's very close to, the day when the token's supposed to be repossessed and possibly dumped. In my opinion, I say dump. Like, if you want to know more about this, I have a video talking about this. It's the Bitcoin exploit. It's definitely a very important, actually the most important video that you need to watch. So if you haven't watched this video and you want to know a little bit more about this right here, I highly suggest you right there. Just click that right there, the Great Bitcoin Reset. Go do that. All right. So that's my opinion. I really think something's going to happen. Even on October 3rd and 5th. All right here, October 3rd and 5th. It's called Watch Out Bitcoin. That's crazy. It's going to be in Spain. Watch Out Bitcoin 2025. The 3rd to the 5th, which correlates right with the date of the exploit we talked about on the 5th. So is it possible that the Satoshi is going to start selling Bitcoin, dumping billions of dollars in Bitcoin in the midst of this watch out, I quote, 2025 Bitcoin, October 3rd, October 5th. Regulation, institutional adoption, and Bitcoin. Like, this is very interesting. So, you guys tell me my thoughts. Make sure you guys hit the like button, share this video. Also, I have a Telegram link pinned in the comments, so check that out. Follow me on Twitter. Crypto's my retirement. You guys have a great day.
I be smoking Vaughn.
Bitch, I smoke Satoshi. Yeah, it's crypto my retirement, but you really don't know me. I've been mining BTC since 2014, yeah. I'm a real OG, yeah. I'm a real OG, yeah.
I be smoking Vaughn.
Bitch, I smoke Satoshi.